New tonight, an outbreak at Orchard Hospital in Gridley where nearly 50 people have tested positive for COVID-19. Action News Now reporter Esteban Reynoso is live now at the hospital for us. So Esteban, what have you learned tonight?
We know the outbreak doesn't just involve the hospital itself, but also its skilled nursing facility called the Hovlid Community Care Center. That's where the outbreak was as well. In a press release today, Orchard Hospital says 16 staff members and 32 patients tested positive for COVID-19. They say the hospital started seeing a rise in cases among staff on the 25th of November, prompting them to test everyone. I spoke to one grandmother who was waiting in the parking lot for her grandson who suffered a concussion in a car crash when she heard of the outbreak.
Well, I'm really scared. I have COPD and I just brought my grandson in for a concussion. Now he's in there and now I'm going to be susceptible to, and it's really scary.
Orchard Hospital CEO Steve Stark said in the press release, just like every hospital in the country right now, we are caring for COVID-19 patients within our hospital. We were successful for many months on maintaining an almost zero infection rate, but despite our best efforts, COVID-19 has found its way into the hospital. We called Orchard Hospital several times to get more detail, but they have not yet returned our calls. And in the middle of the holiday season, Mariachi is fearful that cases will continue to rise inside the hospital.
In the holidays, it's going to get worse. So this isn't even the tip of the iceberg as far as I'm concerned.
I spoke with a person off camera who told me their parent is in the hospital right now and they're irked by the news of the outbreak. Live in Gridley, Esteban Reynoso for Action News Now coverage you can count on.
Thanks,